What's up, y'all? It's been a little bit busy over here because your girl is still busy being the best me, the best wife, the best mother. And that takes having my ultimate nighttime hygiene routine, but making sure that I'm giving back to myself even when I feel like I don't have the time, because baby, everything stops if mama ain't doing it right, okay? So I make sure that I take care of myself, even if it's a minimal amount. So when I start off with my little quick routine, I'm using the Clean Skin Club towels that I've told y'all about. I love these. These are just something that's a little bit of luxury for me with the little bamboo box. And I'm using a little Bioderma and going over my skin and releasing it of all remnants of the day in terms of makeup, residue, and other things. And I like to do that before I wash my face. Don't worry, I got everything linked for y'all down below. I know I be forgetting, but I didn't forget today, okay? I want y'all on the hygiene train too. So you can see it gets all the stuff out. And then from there, I move into my teeth. And y'all have asked about my Panasonic water flosser, and that thing is still going strong. Do you hear me? Love this thing. It was worth every penny. I use it before and after brushing, and it makes sure that all the stuff in between my little teeth pockets gets out perfectly. And I'm also using my Sonicare toothbrush, which is still going strong as well. I own like 2 of these things, but I love them so much because my dental checkups have been bomb with it. Do you hear me? Even during pregnancy, when you tend to have a little bit more dental problems, I'm still doing good, okay? And I use just my little toothpicks afterwards to make sure I have all the residue out of my teeth, everything gone. In terms of whitening, y'all, I've been using these Luminex whiteners, and I told y'all about these because these are safer in pregnancy and postpartum. So I know I'm still doing some breastfeeding, so I wanted to make sure that I'm still very safe, but these give me the whitening effect without making my teeth super sensitive. And the Panoxyl, y'all already know, the HS crew, if you know, you know. I love this all over the body from my head to my toes, but it's really great on my skin because it makes sure that I'm reducing the dark marks and scars from acne and that I'm not having a lot of issues there. And speaking of that, dark marks and scars, say goodbye with the Mario Badescu Witch Hazel with Rose Water. Baby, leaves that skin refreshed, along with my Pacifica products. I love them because they're all vegan, but their vitamin C is amazing, and it just leaves my skin feeling so refreshed. I feel so refreshed, so calmed, and it just seems to go into my skin and sinks into my skin. Is one of the best vitamin C versions that I use. And the Rose Glow and Get It by Tula. I know y'all done heard about this, but it has a little bit of caffeine in it, so I tend to use it not only under my eyes, but also in the middle where I have little lines. I've always had those lines there, but it seems to smooth them out and perk me up. Kiehl's, I have not always been a big Kiehl's fan, but when I tell y'all this ultra moisturizing cream has turned my head, I love this, which has helped me to investigate other products by them, but this a little bit goes a long way. This cream feels so good on my skin and so moisturizing and puts everything back in. And y'all already know about the Laneige lip mask that I put on at night, and it just leaves me feeling so moisturized on my lips because we ain't trying to be ashy or broke down, okay? We're trying to maintain the skin that we have and make sure that we give it everything that we can. And y'all, one of the ways I've been sustaining and maintaining my skin from the inside out is with Peak, who's bringing us today's video. Peak supplements and teas naturally unlock radiant health and authentic beauty from within. I told y'all about them last year, and I've really been loving them over the past few months once again. And they believe in the transformation of skin from the inside out, and their Radiant Skin Duo is like a facial and a drink. Their Sun Goddess and Matcha and BT Fountain Beauty electrolytes are skincare powerhouses, y'all. Do you hear me? And they combine powerful plant extracts and science-backed ingredients into 2 delicious daily drinks for brighter and more radiant skin. I am always concerned with hyperpigmentation, elasticity, and skin texture, and this duo helps with that. I love that the Sun Goddess Matcha, my favorite, has powerful green tea antioxidants to brighten and firm skin, while the BT Fountain has hyaluronic acid to boost moisture. I like to have a warm cup of matcha in the mornings, and I make a glass of the BT Fountain in the afternoon for a hydration boost. Now, these are easy to make and they're zero prep and they taste so amazing. For a limited time, get 15% off and a free rechargeable frother and cup when you shop my link. Check it out down below in the description box. Y'all, I'm still rocking with my Aquasana Inhale filter, which is keeping my hair and my skin on 10. And I'm pairing it today with my Citrus and Herbal Musk Native that I picked up at Target. I've been loving their body washes lately. Do you have a favorite one? Let me know down below because I love to try different ones. And I'm using my little scrubber mitt, which is just enough exfoliation to make sure that certain areas of the body get what they need, like your knees, your elbows, your toes, and those heels, baby, because we can't be stepping out with busted back heels in our sandals, okay? Hygiene, again, is cleanliness that's next to godliness and keeping yourself the way that you would like to be perceived. And I love to perceive myself, nobody else, okay? When I'm my best, everything else is better. So I'm just rinsing off. I do love that Native because it rinses off pretty clean. It's not as moisturizing, but I definitely can tell you it's going to get you clean, and for that sensitive skin, it's excellent. And I'm going in with my Pacifica Charcoal Underarm Detox. Baby, love this stuff. It keeps my underarms looking pristine and smooth, and especially before a shave. But this is mainly for those of us that get buildup from those natural deodorants or even other deodorants. And I've been using it for years now, and I know a lot of you have told me you've been using it, and it works wonders. Works so well. I've even used it on other parts of my body. I know it says underarms, but hey. And here's my shaving cream, which I cannot say on YouTube because the last time I said what it's named, they demonetized the video, okay? So check the description box and you'll see what it's called. And though I normally like to wax under my arms, I've been using my Chic Hydro Silk Razor a lot lately because it's simple, it's easy, and it gives me a nice clean and smooth shave. Look at them underarms, baby. Them underarms is pristine, okay? Rinse them off and they are looking amazing. I did have some darkening after pregnancy, but as you can see, it has all gone away. Let me know if you want my extended underarm routine. Time to condition my body with the Ish Condish by Taraji P. Henson. Yes, it is a conditioner for your body, and y'all, it leaves me feeling smooth and silky. In fact, this is also a good one to shave with. I find that the slip on it is amazing. It's almost like hair conditioner, but it's just for your body, and it just leaves your body coated and moisturized so you don't get out and feel like, again, a brick. I get the jump start to feeling moisturized and smooth, but you know we still moisturizing, baby, because we're not trying to be ashy. I'm using that Avonay creamy moisturizing body butter, and y'all, it's so thick I can turn the thing upside down. It's so moisturizing. It's one of my faves, and my husband steals it out of my bathroom. He calls it the spa, and y'all, he has pushed me into using it more because it is good stuff. It works amazingly. And I'm using the Zara's Crown Mommy Oil. It sneaks into the skin like butter, and it smells even better. And I'm using the Essentials by Arm & Hammer underneath my arms. Y'all know my method is to rub it in just to make sure we have extra freshness if we're doing that hygiene routine. It leaves me feeling good, and also even after a shave, my skin feels good because it's good for sensitive skin, I find. This right here looks like candy, but it's not. It's actually an exfoliation cube that's full of amazing oils, essential oils, as well as sugar scrub. I use them on my hand. It makes it easy and simple, and baby, my skin feels so soft and smooth. I follow it with the QCO oil, which is thick and rich for those cuticles. My cuticles tend to grow pretty quick. This keeps them at bay and keeps them moisturized really well. I removed my Luminix teeth whiteners and I'm good to go. I normally try to wash my hair on nights like this, but I'm gonna have to make this stretch, baby. I don't have the time. So I'm using that Batiste as a dry shampoo on my hair, and it really does help. I love that stuff. I told y'all I've been loving it since I tried it. For years now, I've been using it to refresh my scalp, especially since I work out. And then I'm able to pull my hair back up, and I take it a step further these days, okay? I take it just a little bit further. After pulling it up, I also use this Uncle Funky's. That's the Defunk. Yes, honey. It is like a refresher for the hair and the scalp. And my eyebrows have had had a few grays coming in. Okay, praise the Lord for the wisdom. But I just want to make sure that they are tinted all the same. So I'm okay with grays, but I don't like just the salt and pepper in my brows. Okay, so I'm using a little of the Ardell brow tint here. Been using that for a while, and it leaves my brows looking good. And follow with some Jamaican black castor oil after I've left it on for about 10 minutes and rinsed it out. And I am good, and my brows ain't looking salt and peppery. That's all for tonight, y'all. I am feeling moisturized. I am feeling happy and full of love for myself. Let me know what parts of this ultimate nighttime hygiene routine you will use. Let you know now. You deserve it. Whatever you do, try to do whatever you can, even if it's small. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace.